Hey there, advisees. The new schedule is going to be dropping soon, so I wanted to make sure that you knew where to go to see which courses are going to be offered and which courses you need to take. Let's start by looking up the courses that you're going to need to take. From the university homepage, if you will click on Menu, then under Academics, go to Colleges and Departments, then choose the Willie A. Deese College of Business and Economics, Curriculum Guides, and scroll down to our department, you'll see the curriculum guide for your major. Once you click on the curriculum guide for your major, you'll be directed to a PDF which shows you the courses you need to take each semester. These courses are listed in order to ensure that you don't miss any prerequisites. For example, ideally your first semester here, you take Math 111, English 100, Management 110, a science elective with a lab, and FRST 101. Ideally, these are the courses that you'll take your second semester here. Notice that they include a science elective without a lab and an African American culture and history elective. Now, where do you go to find what your elective options are? In this case, the quickest option is to use your search engine to search the A&T website for general education courses. When you see the option for general education course list, which should be what pops up first, you'll be directed to the page on the Provost website that gives you the list of all the options for each gen ed course concentration. If you scroll down, these are your scientific reasoning electives that are options to satisfy your general education requirements for science. You notice back on your curriculum guide, all the way at the bottom, you have recommendations for which gen ed courses will best complement your degree. So now that you know what you have to take, let's look at where you can see what's going to be offered from semester to semester. Back on the university homepage, if you'll go to Menu and Current Students, and then from Current Students, go down to Class Schedule, you'll be directed to the tool which previews for you which courses are going to be offered in an upcoming semester, and also show you what's currently being offered and what's been offered in previous semesters. If we search by term, we see that we can see the spring, summer 1, and summer 2 courses. Now, I will forewarn you that these populate before they're actually ready. What I mean by that is that in order to create new semesters in this tool, the IT administrator has to roll over last year's schedules. For example, when Spring 2023 first appeared in this tool, it actually was just a direct copy of Spring 2022. So when I say that sometimes the schedule's not ready for us to look at, what I mean is it's not ready for us to see the most up-to-date version. But when it is, I'll always let you know. You can click on that semester, and then you can search for courses according to the department. Let's say, going back to your curriculum guide, that you're going to need to take English 101. To find those courses, you're going to go to the English department, and you're going to scroll past the English 100 options down to where English 101 begins. Note here that you have the name of the class, the CRN that you're going to need for registration. This is the number that you hear discussed in freshman studies when you talk about scheduling, the course name itself, and the section. If you look carefully at section numbers, you'll notice that section numbers that end in an actual number are on-campus classes that happen on the main campus and have a time and a place to meet, while those that end in a letter are the online courses that happen on the distance learning campus. Be sure that you're selecting the courses on the campus in which you wish to take them. So this is how you can see what's going to be offered in upcoming semesters and plan your schedule accordingly. A quick note, you're going to have a lot of classes with the prefix BUAN and BTech. Your BUAN courses are listed under Business Analytics, and BTech courses are listed under Business Info Technology. So back to that curriculum guide. This BUAN 132 is listed under Business Analytics, while BTech 110 can be found under Business Info Tech. As you're working on planning out your schedule, please let me know if you have any questions.